It's not only on the mountaintops of Snowdonia that the snow is present today. 12 hours of heavy snowfall and what the locals are calling severe liuchio has brought the small village of Gerlan to a standstill. Luckily, local reporter Shaun Glynne has sent us this exclusive report.
I came out this morning and I couldn't believe my eyes. The snow up there is just, it's like a sea of snow. That's all I can say, really.
I can't believe it either.
It's unbelievable. I thought I was going to see someone surfing with a guitar down like that. And apparently it's all the way up, like 10 foot high it is. The gritters couldn't get up because they were sliding back down outside Dick and Karen's.
Thank you, Mr. Hoyland.
That's a pleasure.
Fel y gwelwch chi, mae tywydd yn ofnadwy yma ym Bethesda heddiw. Mae wedi bod yn lliwchio ers 12 o gloch neithiwr ac mae trigolion y lle yn ffeindio'n anodd iawn i gael allan o homa.
Ti laen, mae bus yn mynd am Sunset a wan. Tid yn dy blydi flaen i di'r coc oen.
O, da ni dal yn ffilmio.
The local council has been unable to fulfill usual services since the beginning of the festive season. Each member of the community has a part to play in the de-shovelling.
Fel y gwelwch chi, mae bob ci yn y pentre allan yn helpu gyda y cymorth o datgloddio tywydd yma. Mae'r tywydd nawr wedi codi ac mae eiriau fyny at ymhen y gliniau wan. Dwi ddim yn meddwl fod yn gallu symud am o leia 20 wsos.
It looks like the local inhabitants will be remaining indoors for the foreseeable future.
Dwi Shaun Glynne yn awr yn fentro amhosib a gweld faint o bell allai fynd yn y eiriau tew yma.
Fortunately, we were able to receive this report via our groundbreaking dynamo system. Unfortunately, our local reporter remains to be out there battling it out against the element. We are optimistic for his heroic arrival.
Dyma fi, Shaun Glynne, yn ganol nunlla, yn ôl i chi yn y stiwdio.